What is going on, guys? Steve here, and in this video I want to go ahead and cover Amazon FBA sales tax when you are just starting out. So I'm going to answer some commonly asked questions. So let's get started. Before we dive into the video, I have been selling on Amazon for more than 3 years now. I have multiple selling products, I have my own trademark, and I sell multiple products towards one specific types of customers. So let's go ahead and dive into the computer, and I want to answer the most commonly asked questions of beginner Amazon sellers about Amazon's sales tax. This video is brought to you by Digital Life Mastery. Digital Life Mastery is a complete step-by-step Amazon FBA course that will teach you exactly how to start and build a profitable Amazon FBA business. If you want to learn the Amazon FBA business step-by-step, how to source your product from the start and have it up and live on Amazon, and exactly how to make this product successful and repeat the process all over again, go ahead and check out my complete Amazon FBA course that is on the bottom of this video. And if you end up liking this video, I would really appreciate a big thumbs up and a subscription. This YouTube channel is dedicated to Amazon FBA. So right in front of me is the TaxJar website. So I do have another video that covers Amazon sales tax. You can go ahead and check it out. It's right up here. TaxJar is a third-party program that I personally use. I have started using this third-party software from the beginning of my Amazon selling journey, and I will go ahead and explain to you right now exactly how it works. So you go ahead and sync your TaxJar account to your Amazon Seller Central backend. So once your TaxJar is connected to your Amazon Seller Central's backend, let's say a customer goes ahead and purchases your product and your customer lives in California, for example, Amazon will collect a specific amount of sales tax from this purchaser in California based on the tax amount in California, and TaxJar will go ahead and neatly keep this number in their account. So once you log into your TaxJar account, you scroll down through all of the states and you see the California state, you will see exactly how much sales tax Amazon has collected for the state of California, and this is determined by the number of customers who lived in California, purchased your product, and Amazon goes ahead and charges them a specific amount of sales tax based on California's sales tax rate. Now I do have a more specific in-depth video on Amazon sales tax up here that you can go ahead and check out. When you're just starting out with Amazon FBA, by the way, if you're an international seller, let's say you are going to sell in the American marketplace, and let's say right now you live in the United Kingdom, you do not have to worry about Amazon sales tax, so you can go ahead and actually skip this video. But if you live in America, then you do have to worry about Amazon sales tax when you are just starting out, but you don't have to worry about getting a sales tax identification number in all of the different states. You first want to go ahead and get a sales tax identification number in the state that you live in. For example, if you live in California, you want to go ahead and of course get your sales tax identification number for the state of California, because you live in California and you do have to pay a sales tax for the state of California. Once your business grows and you are making more than $5,000 a month in revenue, then you will need to get a sales tax identification number for the states that you will have nexus in. So let's go ahead and let's click over here. Let's go ahead and click on sales tax by state, and let's scroll down and let's click on California. If you live in any other states, you can go ahead and click on it and you will get more information based on the sales tax. Let's click on California and let's scroll down. It says over here, do you need to collect sales tax in California? You can go ahead and read this. Now over here it does talk about, do you have a physical nexus in California? A physical location is considered a nexus. A person working for you, an employee that lives in another state, is considered a nexus. So you do have to pay a sales tax for that state. If a customer who lives in that state of your employee who purchases your product, you do have to pay a sales tax for that state. An affiliate, someone who is an affiliate of you who lives in a specific state. Presence as a trade social. You can go ahead and read all of this over here. This will mean that you will have a nexus if all of these, one of these four applies, or all of these four applies over here. So let's say you live in California and you have an employee that lives in New York. You also have to get a sales tax identification number for the state of New York. So you can go ahead and get started for $19 a month and sign up with TaxJar. With Amazon, it's going to be much more difficult to look at the numbers. TaxJar neatly goes ahead and composes all of the numbers for you. So when it's time to give your sales tax returns to the government, you will have all of the numbers right in front of you that you can go ahead and use. So for my sales tax, I pay every quarter. So 4 times a year, I pay every quarter. For each person, it varies. You might pay once a month, but for me, it is every quarter. So I do pay a sales tax 4 times out of the year. So if you live in California, let's say, and you get your sales tax identification number for California, you want to go ahead and visit California's government website, click on login, and you will have a notification if you are going to pay every quarter for you to pay your quarterly dues. So this was it. I wanted to go ahead and make this video. When I first got started, I had a sales tax identification number for a state that I lived in, and then once my business grew, I went ahead and got sales tax identification numbers for the states that I had nexus in. Go ahead and check out my other video that covers sales tax in depth as well. And also don't forget to check out my complete step-by-step Amazon FBA course that you can get access to on the bottom of this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. This YouTube channel is all about Amazon FBA. Thanks for watching. Have a great one, everyone.